Hey guys, it's me, Zap Attack here, back with Five Nights at Candy, so let's go. And once this game is over, I heard there's a second one, so yeah, we're probably going to be playing that. So our friend's moving. Yep.
You have one new message.
Hello? Just checking in, making sure you're A-okay.
Where's your
Remember
friends?
that previous security guard I told you about? Yeah, so we got a call from the police today. Apparently he has gone missing. I guess it was...
Sorry about my coughing.
I remember, like, the day before his last night of the week, he asked me to be with him on his shift that night. He told me there was something he had to show me. I know, it sounds crazy, right? Although I declined, he still showed up for his shift. So, then of course, the next morning we found out that his blank character had been severely damaged.
So is blank going to be deactivated?
Found out that he had bought a wrench.
That would be cool.
And completely smashed blank. He had also left the building in the middle of his shift after that. I mean, he must have. He was nowhere to be found the next morning. Couldn't contact him or anything. So the manager just fired him and sent him a pink slip. Anyway, I'll leave you to your work. Yeah, stay tight and we'll talk again tomorrow. Have a good night.
Go buy candy, please leave forever. Is El candy gun? Yep. Oh yes, peaceful day at the job. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening at all at my job. Just exact same stuff. A-roop-a-doop-a-doop. Just sitting here with my little burger and my fan. Look how much of a fan he is. Do-da-da-da-da. Oh, I guess I was wrong about my blank theory because he's still here, ready to kill me. Bow. Da-da-da-da-da. Oh no, that is not very good. I think I might have screwed up. Hello? Jump scare? Oh, that scared me. I didn't almost even get to say anything. I wish you could see my reaction if I had a face cam, but I do, but I need to figure out. Let's continue again. Yeah. Mr. Phone Man, can you please be quiet? Cindy is so activated. No, we probably don't even need to do anything. Let's just check on blank. There. Check on those. We're going to go in pro mode, guys. Pro mode. It's very pro. And my burger, he's going to protect me. Look at him. Okay, I think the reason why I died is because I didn't check on blank too much. Or something, so I should probably check on him more. Because that might be a smart idea. Hopefully it's 1 a.m. soon. Okay, 1 a.m. We should probably check on Old Candy too, because you can't really see his eyes. Chester, good timing. Well, Old Candy left. Chester's gone. That's good. You didn't even waste one whole bar yet. Candy? I never saw Candy ever come out that side before. Okay, so blank is still deactivated. Why not check that camera? Okay. Well, we finally lost the first bar. But that was at 1 a.m. Ugh. Ugh. Where is Cindy? She is coming along. Okay, there she is, and now she's gone. I disrespected the cat. Okay, just check on blank. Wait until he stands up, because you don't want to waste your battery. Wasting battery is bad. Okay. Close it real quick. Try to activate blank. Shut the door, let it chill out, and shut it back. Okay, just don't look at the camera that like activates blank or something. What is that? Is that some kind of origami bird? Dude, where the fuck did it go? Wait, what the heck? It's legit gone. There's an origami bird. I swear. It wasn't there before. Yeah, I'm not going crazy. There was legit an origami bird. Oh gosh, okay, blank. Oh wait, Mr. Middle Door, we can close you. Oh, hold on. I swear, who put that origami bird? I think I'm going crazy. But no, not just gonna talk about that. Penguin like never moves. I wasted so much battery, but it's 3 a.m. Now I'm gonna like look at that camera forever. No, it's probably Candy. Chester. Okay, that's good because Chester's annoying. Okay, check on blank. Okay, maybe, I swear though, I'm not going crazy. It's probably like an Easter egg. Tell me in the comments below if you actually know what that was supposed to be. Like, is that some kind of Easter egg or kind of candy? Gotcha. Now go back to your little kitty cat house. "4 a.m. guys. Okay, well, it's really close. Oh no. Blank, why? Blank, 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 Mr. Blank. Okay, Shut it quickly. Okay, we're just gonna leave it shut until Mr. Blank decides to attack. Mr. Blank, could you attack? Cause I don't know. Oh, Mr. Penguin, that's okay, mate. Oh, fudge. Mr. Blank. Mr. Blank, I want to take. Oh, he didn't come. I thought he did, and I got locked. Okay, go, 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 go. Ho, 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 old candy. Creepy music, please go away. So is Blank like deactivated forever and ever and ever and never gonna come back ever? Never? Okay, we didn't see that origami bird. It's 5 a.m. Could leave all the doors closed if I want to, which I should probably do, because there's a definite chance of winning. Mr. Penguin, go away. We don't even know what the penguin does. Shoot. No, they're doing this on purpose. Why? No. Chester. No, I'll just leave that door closed because Chester's up. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, creepy music stop and share the 6 a.m. music. Oh, no. Dab. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, we finally did it. And here comes the mini game, the mini game, the mini game. Here comes the mini game everyone loves. Well, I don't know if it's called mini game. You just see this sad puppet, basically. Oh, look at them, Candy and Cindy. The puppet neglecting them. Candy and Cindy. The puppet neglecting them. Candy and Cindy. The puppet's gone. Candy and Cindy. The puppet's gone. Candy and Cindy are looking at us. Now they finish them. So I hope you enjoyed this Five Nights at Candy's. Now there's still night 5. And then there's the 6th night. And then I think we're done. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you zap that subscribe button and like this video. And thanks for watching. Bye!